Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use and equip emotes in Marvel Rivals. So if you're on console, all you have to do is press and hold the left directional button on your controller and you'll see this menu appear, or this wheel appear. Now use the right analog stick and highlight the emotes and then release the button and you should see your character performing that emote.
Here they come.
So simply press and hold the left directional button on your controller, then highlight your emote and your character should perform that emote. Now if you're on PC, simply press and hold the T button and then use the mouse to highlight that particular emote and then release the button and the character will perform that emote. Now if you want to equip an emote, all you have to do is go to the hero section. So let me just leave this match. So if you want to equip it or equip emotes, so all you have to do is go to heroes section and then choose the hero you'd like to equip an emote for. So for instance, let's say this particular character. So select them. And then at this point, scroll to the cosmetic section and then select the emotes option. Now you should see a couple of emotes. So for some heroes, they have 2, others have 3, others have 4. So if you have both emotes selected, so simply select the one that you'd like to use, select it, and then you should see this option appear too as equip if you have them. Now if you don't have them, simply select acquire and follow the process that you need to get those particular emotes. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.